this Revolution makeup Revolution London, and my stomach's growling and I just ate. Go figure. And there goes my stomach again. Real. And there goes my stomach growling again, of course. Pink. Okay. Oh, there goes my stomach growling again. And I literally just ate a little while ago, and I actually just had some Christmas cookies just now. So I don't know why it's growling. It ate a lot of sugar, and I had Chinese for dinner. I had broccoli with garlic sauce combination platter with beef fried rice. And now I have some iced coffee that I made. It's peppermint mocha. Peppermint mocha. Okay, so, alright, let me see your lips. Let's get this on there. Okay. And my stomach's growling again. Sorry. Donor. My stomach is just crawling away over here. Really? For this. That's good. So, that's it for this video. And there goes my stomach crawling again.
My fingernails right here on camera as part of this review. Okay, I got it unfastened. So now that's my stomach growling. Just ignore it. My stomach is making gurgly noises. Stop it, stomach. Whatever. And then this side is black with colors. That's beautiful. So stop it. I picked this one. Then I picked, my stomach still making noises a little. Hello, my stomach is still growling. Then I picked a back. I might have to sit up straight so my stomach will stop gurgling, which I probably should be doing anyway. And with the eye. There's my stomach again. Why, though? What do I need to eat? We have no food in the house. And I also just drank coffee, so my stomach is trying to digest it.
Stomach's grumbling as well.
Hi everyone, it's Sherry with Blessed Baubles, and as soon as I went to say hello, my stomach went growl every time I record.
Easy. Come on. Back you get. Listen to my stomach growling. I hope you guys can't hear that.
Excuse me if you can hear my stomach growling.
Oh, stomach growling. My stomach's always growling. Okay.
Okay. Ooh, my stomach. All right, y'all, I'm going to get something to eat because my stomach is being embarrassed.
Different type of filler because she used like Ultra or something like that. I am hungry. My stomach is growling so bad.
Do y'all hear my stomach? It's growling. Ooh. I'll be cooking dinner after I get my work done. So we just gonna have to wait, honey. Okay?